In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the transaction history in QuickBooks. Understanding how to review your transaction history is crucial for managing your finances and ensuring your records are up to date. Whether you're a small business owner, an accountant, or someone simply managing their personal finances, knowing this process can help you stay on top of your financial activities with ease. First, you'll need to sign in to your QuickBooks account. Launch your web browser and head over to the QuickBooks website at Intuit. Once there, look for the sign in option. This is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and a drop down menu should appear, giving you access to several options. Next, you will select QuickBooks Online from the list. QuickBooks offers a range of services and platforms, so it's important to ensure you're signing into the correct one related to your account. If you're managing business finances, QuickBooks Online is likely your go-to platform due to its added functionality and cloud accessibility. Now type in your credentials. This means entering your registered email address and password. Make sure you've entered these details correctly to avoid any login hiccups. If you happen to forget your password, QuickBooks provides an option to recover it, so don't worry. Once you've double checked everything, hit the continue button to proceed to your account. Upon successful login, direct your attention to the top right corner of your QuickBooks dashboard. There's a handy magnifying glass icon, often termed as the search feature. Click on that icon. It opens up a simple search dialog box which appears across the platform, a fantastic tool if you're looking for something specific. Once you've clicked on the magnifying glass, look toward the bottom of the dialog box for an option reading Advanced Transaction Search. It's a small link but an incredibly useful one. Click on this link as it leads you directly into a more detailed transaction search mode. In this section, you are given comprehensive access to view your transactions in QuickBooks Online. You'll see a variety of search and filter options. These options can help you tailor your search according to date, transaction type, amount, or even specific accounts. Using these filters allows you to efficiently dig through your transactions, making it easier to find what you're looking for and ensuring you maintain accurate records. And there you have it. You've now learned how to effortlessly access your transaction history in QuickBooks Online. This process simplifies your financial tracking and ensures that all your transactions are accounted for and easily accessible whenever needed. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay organized by regularly checking your transaction history in QuickBooks.